Welke wil je aantrekken vandaag? Oh, dat. Oké. Ga je shoppen?
Ja?
Mooi. Deze is niet mooi. Deze. Deze is niet mooi. Deze. Niet mooi? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yansa. And today is the 3rd of November 2021. And I'm in the car. I picked up my mother and we're gonna go out a little. She wants Chinese noodles, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We're stopping right now because my mom has to do something, and then we're going to the city or town. We're in town right now, and guess what? There was no traffic on the bridge. Wow, it's very surprising because tomorrow is total lockdown, and you'd expect that there would be traffic everywhere, but there is not. Yeah, now we're at APF, Algemene Pensioenfonds Suriname. In Suriname, my mother is going to do her things. She is already retired. My daughter is awake right now. Then we're going to get some chow mein, I think. Rai is at work, my husband, and maybe I'll visit him. I don't know. He asked for food, and he asked for food, but he brought food from home. So I don't know if I'm gonna go get food for him and bring it to him. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I have to buy diapers for my daughter, and maybe I'll buy soup stuff, Chinese soup stuff. You'll see. Now we're at my mom's. We got TNU. I have the white rabbit. My mom has a vanilla latte, and we got food at drive-through restaurant. We call it drive-through restaurant. Fried rice, noodles, yummy. Okay, so guys, I'm home right now. Yeah, I'm home right now, and I got diapers for my daughter at Bestmart. This is size 5. I bought 3 of them, and I got this from my mother. I got this from my mother as a present. I showed you in the last video, I showed you one side of the shoe gave up on me. It's plastic, so you can't really fix it. So I bought another pair. No, I didn't buy it. My mother gave it to me as a present. My mom bought it for me as a present. I wear a size 37 to 38. Yes. So I'm gonna show you the diapers I got. Looks so comfortable. It's really soft from the inside. I think it's from the Netherlands. And I've never used it before. I've used Smallfix, Soft Love, Bumble, and Pambebe. I do Pro or something. Look at her feet, tiny feet. So I'm gonna try it. I'll see. Guys, diapers are so expensive. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. It has a teddy bear. Yeah. The inside is also soft, and I love how this is stretchy. I love these. It's all about the comfort. I'm gonna put my daughter to sleep. She's already, look at her. Hi. Baby. Yeah, she's already sleeping. Today is the 4th of November 2021 and today is Diwali in Suriname. It's a National Vrijdag and today I'm going to make a Chinese soup, a dumpling soup with fish balls, and you'll see what I'm gonna put in there. I bought the things yesterday because today is total lockdown in Suriname because of COVID. We can't go to the store to buy stuff, so I bought everything yesterday. I'm gonna show you what I bought. Here we have vermicelli. Chinese, I don't know what it says. We're not gonna put it in the soup, we're going to cook it and then drain it. Onions, garlic, I don't know what this is. Sesame oil, baby corn, fish balls. I'm gonna put 2 packs of these. Here we have the dumplings my mom made. Hey, look at my nails. Done by Nikita. And this is kailan. So I'm not gonna put it in the soup. I'm gonna cook these 2 out, the kailan, and we're gonna cook these 2. I'm gonna cut these in pieces. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're done. I forgot something.
English is gooder than you.
Ik neem op, hè. Yeah, I forgot to show you, but you have to add ginger. Maggie. Wat zeg je Maggie block?
Maggie. Next time laugh me though. Sorry.
Maggie block.
Maggie block.
Yeah. This is chicken powder, but they come in blocks. First, I'm gonna add 7 of these, and then I'm gonna add more when I taste it. So the food is done. We have, what's that in vermicelli?
Vermicelli.
Vermicelli
Vermicelli.
and kailan. Wow, yum. I'm always the first to eat because I want to taste it. Ga je eten?
Ja.
Look at my husband. So, Pahan, you ate. We're gonna eat right now. Bữa thì dumpling zijn open. So this is the soup. Looks delicious. So I'm gonna eat. Yes! It's the next day and I realized I forgot to close out the video yesterday after eating because I was so full and my daughter wanted to sleep. Thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe now to my channel. If you don't want to miss a video, click on the notification bell. I forgot to mention the ingredients. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description, so make sure you check out the description box. Also, like this video, and if it's shareable, share it. And if you want me to do more of cooking videos, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!